How to change inverted camera on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the inverted camera on iPhone. Let's dive right in. Open up your settings, click on camera. Now scroll down until you find mirror front camera. So if it is toggled off, then that means that the camera is inverted and that's how people see you in real life. But if you want to see yourself how you look in mirror, then you will need to toggle on the mirror front camera and this will change the inverted camera on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.